Hey guys, this is Mama Made. So I thought it would be a really good time to film this type of video for you guys. So I'm going to talk about how to use UberEATS. This is to order food, not like to be a delivery driver. So if that's the type of video you're looking for, this is for a user. And then I also have a promo code, which is my referral code for cheap food. If you're just wanting that, that will be in the next picture, or it's also in the description box below if you don't want to see the whole video on how it works. But anyway, so I know some of you guys are actually able now to go get food, but it's only pickup and takeout only. So yeah, I wanted to go ahead and share this video. I've done Uber Eats. It's been a while ago now, and I think I started it in December. I also have a Doordash video if you're interested in that. I will link that down below. This is not sponsored, obviously. They don't even know that I'm doing this video. But anyway, I prefer Doordash over Uber Eats just because of the restaurants in my area that are available for Doordash. Uber Eats is I have a less variety to choose from. So I think some restaurants will go with either or. It's probably a money situation, whether they want to go through Doordash or Uber Eats. So the restaurants I like choose Doordash. But anyway, I feel like they still run on the same type of system. Everything seems to work almost exactly the same. So let's go ahead and get into the details. And this is the second time filming this video. I had one up for you guys and I have no idea what happened. It sounded like a news article or something I don't know. It wasn't my voice. It was some other person talking and somehow it got mixed into the video. I don't even know what happened, and I apparently am horrible at editing. I know I don't know how to do all the techie stuff, but someone had just commented how horrible I am at editing. So anyway, there you go. So this is a second take video. So if you're just here for the promo code, here it is. Now you do have to be a new user to Uber Eats, a new email, and I think it has to also be a new phone number, so just keep that in mind. So I will leave the link down below. You can click on that. It's probably going to take you and ask you to download the Uber Eats app. I don't know if when you sign up, you're probably going to have to enter this somewhere as where did you hear from us or something like that. It's been a couple months since I signed up, so I don't remember exactly, but be sure you enter. You can use my referral code or somebody else's, whoever. Just make sure you use someone's referral or you will not be getting that $7 credit. So yeah, if you choose to use my referral code, thank you so much. They have a really awesome program to where you will give me $20 in Uber Eats credit. So thank you so much, guys, and let's go ahead and get into the tutorial part of this video. So sometimes they run certain promotions. Here they have a $0 off $30. Now these can change from time to time, so definitely keep that in mind. They did have like a 30% off for Mother's Day. They also have this really cool thing where you can send food to your friends, which I think is an awesome idea. If it's their birthday or something, maybe just let them know that something's coming, but I think that's a really great idea. You can be able to buy them lunch and you don't have to go see them, or if they live out of state even. And like I said before, you get a $20 off when you invite your friends, and that's each time that somebody signs up. So a really great referral program. And thanks again if you choose to use mine. I really, really do appreciate it, and my husband does too. So the very first thing you're going to want to do is go to the very top and choose your location. You can put in a new address, or you can let it find you depending on what you want to do. It will save your exact address for future deliveries, and then you can put meet at the door, meet outside, or leave at the door, so you don't even have to see the person. If that's not something that you want to do, especially at a time like this. And then you also need to choose your delivery or your pickup. You can even filter it by like the cheapest or certain food eating preferences. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on the pickup here and scroll through and look at some of the restaurants that are in my area. They also sometimes will have like special offers where it's like here you see the 99 cents delivery fee. That just changes from time to time on what type of promotions they have going on. So here you see a lot of like fast food type restaurants, but they will have nicer chain restaurants too. You just gotta look in your area and see what's available. So now we're going to go ahead and go through the ordering process. Once you go ahead and click on the restaurant you want, you will see the delivery fee down there at the bottom. But if you select pickup, there will be no extra charge. If you do have it delivered, just keep in mind that you really do need to tip your driver. So anyway, go ahead and click on your restaurant, and you can go ahead and scroll through and see their menu options. Just keep in mind that a lot of times when restaurants are running actual promotions, you might not see those promotions on Uber Eats because I guess they don't run them through that. So just keep that in mind. If you're looking for a specific promotion they're offering, it might be under special offers in the menu, but it might not be. So when you're ordering an item, you can totally customize it. There's all the options there, and this goes for like every restaurant. Like if you're ordering a burger, you can even be specific on how well you want it to be cooked. Now that would be like if you're ordering from Chili's, not McDonald's, they're just gonna straight up give you a burger. But anyway, you get all the customizable options. I actually prefer ordering this way over ordering at a restaurant because you see your options. Where at a restaurant, sometimes you don't even know what the options are. You just order from the menu. When I was ordering, this option popped up. You can leave it at the door. I actually did this a couple weeks ago. It was my only delivery, and I just had them leave it at the door so I didn't have to see them and they didn't have to see me. So I think this is a great option. You can definitely select this and it helps you out. Just stay near your phone because the driver had some difficulty finding my house, even though I left pretty specific instructions there. It says you can add instructions. I told him the color of our door and the wreath that we had on the door, and apparently they still had trouble finding it. But anyway, we got it all worked out. So once you add your item to the cart, you will see your delivery information. If you're doing delivery, if you're doing pickup, it'll just be the restaurant and the address and your item. So you need to make sure you have your delivery instructions there for the driver. Like it might help to add in like, I don't know, brown house with red shutters and a red front door or something like that, just to help them locate your house more easily. And then make sure you select your delivery time. If you don't want it as soon as possible and you're scheduling it for later in the day, make sure you change that. And then your options for the driver, whether it's supposed to leave it at the door or meet at the door, or you could even meet them at the car, I believe. And then your order, what you put in your cart will be there. It'll show the customized options as well that you chose. And then you will also see your total. And then there will be a promo code button that you can click if you need to add in any special offers that they are offering. This might be where you need to add the referral code that I put in the at the very beginning of the video, but I think you're going to have to enter that when you first sign up for Uber Eats. I think the promo code is actually if like Uber, I think for Mother's Day was running a 30% off or something, and it was like 30 Mother's Day or something like that. So that's where you would enter in your promo code or coupon. And again, here is my referral link if you are interested in using mine. It doesn't really matter whose you use, just make sure you use somebody's in order to get that $7 credit. And if you choose to use mine, thanks again so much. It's very much appreciated. So the very last thing that pops up is your tip screen. Make sure you're tipping your drivers. They give you percentages, or you can go ahead and just edit and give a flat amount, whatever you choose. Just make sure if you're doing delivery, you're tipping your driver. And then you go ahead and click on the very bottom that says place your order, and you're good to go. So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day.